Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we will see what is a component and how to define and declare a component in Ember.js. We will also have a follow-up video on which we will go in-depth concepts about components. So components are nothing but those are the building blocks of a website. So I have opened the YouTube homepage. So in this page, you could see several components, which are nothing but the building blocks. So what can we divide this page into? There is a sidebar. So this will be a component. There is a navigation bar at the top, which is the top bar. So this will be a component. And we also have each thumbnails, which can be a component. Within these thumbnails, there are multiple features, like when we click on this three dots, it is popping up. So this three dotted button can be a separate component as well. So we can split up the web page into a micro level, and each can be a component. And this component can be reused in multiple places. For example, let's say we have 4 cards at the top. What is changing in all these cards? They all appear the same. They all have similar styling, and the things that differ are the thumbnail image, the text in the title part, and the description part. So what happens is we just send the data, which is nothing but the image URL, the text for title, and the description text to a component, which is nothing but which is similar to a custom HTML tag. So attributes are being passed to this, and this attribute acts as the value that displays the content inside this component. So this enables us in writing a reusable code, which is much cleaner than what can be achieved in a basic HTML, JavaScript, and CSS coded website. So let's start with the basics of components. So I have opened the previous project which we use for Hello World. So let's say instead of having the hello world text right away, we need to have it in a component. So right now I'm removing this from the application.hps, and inside the components folder, I have created a file known as card.hps. For now, just ignore this card folder. We will come to that in later part. That is not going to be used right as of now. Inside the card.hbs file, you could see there is a div with a background red, some padding, and it has the hello world text inside a paragraph tag. So in order to use this card, we just have to define the tag. It should start with a caps, and the name should be same as the file name. Okay, I'm saving it. Let's start the server right now. So our server is started. So you could see the background with whatever styles we specified and the hello world text right now. So let's try to tweak the card component a little more. So suppose we want to pass this hello world text from our parent component. What can be done? We will be using the double curly braces. What this does is it enables the logics inside the HTML syntax. So for now, let's say there is a variable known as yield. So this yield variable is part of the HPS, which says that whatever goes inside the card tag should appear here. So right now there is no content here. Let us give some text right now. So whatever comes here will appear inside the card. It can also be a HTML content. So I'm giving h3 right now. So why it didn't appear? We are good with everything. We have the proper syntax. Okay, that's a typo right here. It should be YIELD. So right now we should get the proper text, which is inner text of cart. So we can have multiple cards like this with different content inside it. So we have successfully created a card, and we are also passing a basic data inside the card as well.